Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Custom has recommended seeing of 5 border herds in Manipur. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit assures revised pension for state journalists will be implemented in a couple of days. Kuki Student Organization General Headquarters claims overpowering presence of Asian IMs in hill districts of Manipur despite non-extension of Asian IM ceasefire. Free hepatitis B screening and treatment facility will be available in Manipur by 2021 under National Viral Hepatitis Control Program. And Kalakshetra Manipur begins 2-day seminar on Kanhai Land, a theoretical practitioner as part of its Golden Jubilee celebrations. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nonthomin Biren has disclosed that Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Custom has recommended to set up 5 border herds in Manipur. He was responding to Phungyar MLA K. Laisio on queries related to cross-border trade during the question hour of 10th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today. Chief Minister Biren said recommendation for setting up border herds in Namli, Kongkhantana in Kamjong District, Tusomt in Ukhrul District, Behyang in Jorchampu District, and New Somtalt in Chandal District was sent to the state government on February 24. MLA Laisio wanted to know if Eat Assam Rifles was authorized legally to guard custom checkposts in Ukhrul and Kamjong areas, to which Chief Minister Biren said Assam Rifles personnel are guarding as there are no border herds. He added that custom officials will take over once the border herds come into force. Responding to the star question raised by the Wabagai MLA Fazur Ahmed during the question hour, Chief Minister Biren said site for construction of Irong Sesaba police station has been identified and construction will start soon after necessary verifications. Sugnu MLA Ranjit drew the attention of the IPR minister during the discussion on demand and voting in today's budget session to increase the pension amount for the journalists of Manipur and to provide them job security. Responding to MLA Ranjit, IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit said retired journalists are being provided 4,000 rupees as monthly pension and 2,000 rupees to surviving family of deceased journalists. He said the present government has agreed to increase the pension amount from 4,000 to 8,000 rupees and from 2,000 to 4,000 rupees respectively, and the same will be implemented in a couple of days after completion of necessary process by the Finance Department. Minister Biswajit added that government has set aside 10 crore rupees as journalist corpus fund to be provided to journalists in times of life or medical emergencies. He also said government has increased the cash amount of the annual Best Journalist Award given by the DIPR from 25,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. Responding to MLA Ranjit's query about keeping state DIPR correspondents in Delhi, Minister Biswajit said state cabinet will discuss on the matter in April or May. Kuki Student Organization KSO General Headquarters has claimed overpowering presence of Asian IM in hill districts of the state despite Chief Minister and Biren's affirmation that Asian IM ceasefire is not extended in Manipur. Speaking to media at Kuki Int in Babapara today, President of KSO General Headquarters, Paul Ting Tang Lufeng said that some Asian IM gathers trace want Lekho Hauke from Faimon village in Kamjong district unreasonably at Jasad on February 24. He claimed that the incident occurred right in front of Assam Rifles and security forces, but they turned blind eyes to the incident. Paul Ting Tang further claimed that some suspected KNA cadres trashed 2 suspected spies of Asian IM NSNIM yesterday, after which Assam Rifles threatened people and demanded KNA cadres to surrender. He said KSO does not support any proscribed groups but strongly condemned the biased attitude of the Assam Rifles. Pao Ting-tang condemned the government for failing to take necessary actions.
We are totally against any underground group, but if the Assam Rifles are hell-bent on taking action against the KNA cadres, the Assam Rifles is also required to take stringent action against the NSNIM. So the NSNIM have been constantly harassing the Kukis villages in Sasat areas for the last many years with an eye to grab the lands of the Kuki villages. They forcefully try to construct buildings on Sasat land and even tried to prevent them from doing cultivation on their own land. We have apprised the state government of these matters, but no tangible action has been taken up against the NSNIM. So this is perplexing.
Volunteer of the Innocent People of Naga, VIPN, in a press release appealed to people not to believe in the rumors spread by Naga NGO leaders who claimed that VIPN is linked with the Meitei community and aimed to hinder Indo-Naga peace talks. Free hepatitis B screening and treatment facility will be available in Manipur by 2021, and 7 screening and treatment centers will be opened in 7 new districts of Manipur this year under National Viral Hepatitis Control Program. NVHCP State Nodal Officer Dr. R.K. Rosie speaks exclusively about the same to Impact News reporter Elangbam Musok.
People are taking precautionary measures against HIV/AIDS and tuberculosis, but public awareness on deadlier viral hepatitis is far from satisfactory.
Viral hepatitis hairiba laina asi chorakna makhal manga thokna lei madudi A, B, C, D amadi E haidana hariba sigi viral hepatitis hariba si akhoi liver da sohanba adumba virus makhalamani masi prithvi gi waina yamna chawba akhoi gi major public health challenge am oirei akhoi na su yamna kinariba khangnariba tuberculosis na siba HIV na sihanba mioi singdo adudagidi hepatitis B amadi C na sihanba sina hena yami.
Out of the 5 types of viral hepatitis, hepatitis B and C are the most serious types. Free hepatitis C screening and treatment facility is being provided at 9 different places of Manipur under Phase 1 of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program. 7 more screening and treatment centers are coming up in the 7 new districts of Manipur this year.
Hepatitis C asidi treatment asi sayamna changba treatment mo werami hausiti akhoi gi guli dani akhoi na pizarisi guli oina pizabane wa guli siki mamang dadi hanadi akhoi gi injection interferon haidana ama lerami madu injectable form da side effects am leiba aduga paisa si 5-6 lakh sangen hairami adubu khara leraga sum 50 to 60,000 yare na dumain haibi ko adubu hausiti hariba hida ase akhoi government na pura national viral hepatitis control program mi makhada mayam da akhoi free da hausiti phanganjare handaki lakaduriba chahi asidana akhoi na district newly created district tari asidusu akoina cover tonaba madu hapsan zakhare.
Like the ongoing free treatment for hepatitis C provided under Phase 1 of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program, free hepatitis B treatment facility will be provided under Phase 2 of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program in Manipur from 2021.
Program asi phase menada admaina haugadaba program ni ahanba phase asidadi akoina screening for hepatitis B and C ko free da phanghanjare loina na hepatitis C asigi treatment asi lemna phanghanjare aduga loina hepatitis hoyi B asigi laina asi lying naba hidakti hauziki hairiba first phase as the yauzidri have masina akoina tamna second phase da akoi laksagani.
Though there are various modes of hepatitis transmission, sharing of syringes by illicit drugs users is the main mode of transmission of hepatitis in Manipur.
injecting drug users adagi men having sex with men aduga akhoi female sex workers loina na akhoi hepatitis B amadi C na narba immanung ki mioi sing aduga e toina kap darka oiba laina haibadi hemophilic laina haidan ama leijai aduga thalassemia aduga amarom dana akhoi ki kidney fail oiduna dialysis toina darka taba mioi sing asi sing asi akhoi na vulnerable group or key population haina khangjai.
State Medical Department plans to carry out intensive awareness drives on hepatitis along with NGOs in remote areas of Manipur by 2021 to reach the aim of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program to combat hepatitis and achieve countrywide elimination of hepatitis C by 2030.
Max ki NGO sing asiga tight up toraga tamna hairiba manu husna leba lam afam sing se asida chatmina na bagi khoi mathangi laiba chahi asidadi akhoina khara thamjai ko target khara thamjai chatlaga at least yamna khoi loina mak manu husna changba ngamdraga su khara henna leiba hai tari ko changba ngamna ba haidana test tore haraga mo khoi status atu khangdokna ba khoi hona bagi panlama madi thamjari.
Kalaksetra Manipur began 2-day seminar on the theme Kanhailand, a theoretical practitioner, as part of its Golden Jubilee celebration today. Kalaksetra Manipur organized the seminar along with Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, Eastern Journal Culture Center, Kolkata Art and Culture Department, Manipur, at Government Dance College held in Palace Compound. Professor R.S. Kangzam moderated the seminar where Yumnam Rajendra spoke on the topic Kanhailand and Savitri's journey in theatre, Professor Antombi on the topic Kanhailand standing in the history of Indian theatre, and Dr. Gozendro on Kanhailand response to extant text in the theatre. Speaking on the sidelines, representatives of Kalaksetra Manipur, Dr. Usam Rosio said Padma Bhushan OOD and founder director of Kalaksetra Manipur let Haisnam Kanhailand popularize Manipur's theatre and drama to the world. He said the seminar aimed to raise awareness on the significance of theatre and drama in nation building and the great contributions of the late Haisnam Kanhailand. He added that late Haisnam Kanhailand strongly believed that theatre and drama can contribute in preserving communities and in maintaining communal harmony. Director of Theatre Mirror Imphal, Padmasri Warepanaba and other dignitaries graced the event.
World theoretician power mayam singing marakta ozagi article ritual theater ozana magi theater practice sibu conceptualize tawjaraga phongba like sida ozagi yawrab ozagi kanusi the theater of Kanhailal na Professor Rustam Barucha internationally well known theater theoretician amanasu ozagi maramda theater of Kanhailal na 1996 ta phongba like main lei khraba nimko aduna oza si theater practice na khak oidaba theoretician oiba masi conceptualize tawba adugumba theater gi philosopher amasu oibani na importance to thamjaraga ozagi seminar si sinjabani.
New mini secretariat complex of Bishnupur district was inaugurated today. Office of Executive Engineer PWD Bishnupur Division earlier located in front of Old Mini Secretariat Tidib Road was also shifted at the newly inaugurated complex. Speaking at the event, PWD Bishnupur Division EE KH Nungsi Babu said people will no longer face the inconvenience of traveling far distance to visit the office. He also appealed to contractors to follow the instruction of engineers. Speaking on the occasion, Oinam MLA cum Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, MPCB L. Raza Kishore said public cooperation is essential for bringing development in the state. Officials and staff of the PWD attended the event.
thaba phajana prajana ko container ga engineer ga sibu chahi ma khuding ma se karai di soil no hare di aikoi masen correlation lai da ba aikoi masen dana da ba matam chana una da ba isa isa ya pa ma na tawla thaba suni ba taw ba sing na ni aikoi ma da paisa wana changi bu na de gena changi bu na de hojiti aikoi punda direct dominancy prajana container se leba thaba phajana sui PWD engineer se Panjana share tabak tawi hai se amutang ulaga
lami puna magsipoi ko improvement of kana kay duwi ngai kada mo government national heavy paka tip top symbol wa kare December sector amot pavitre state heavy sing symbol wa sala I did not sing symbol prime minister gram sabuna gi RD gi rural development department ma ka se mi akoi watch not pai ga duwi jaga khar se masi akoi hajra dil to se lambi ma da ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯆꯧ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯚꯣꯂꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯚꯤ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯔꯣꯗꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯍꯣꯜ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯍꯣꯜ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 10ꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯕꯛꯁꯥꯁ ꯈꯂꯥꯁꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯄꯣꯠꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯤꯞ-ꯇꯣꯞꯇꯕꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ.
Volunteers of Phoknung Social Youth Club, RTO, women folks and people of Phoknung Makhalaikai today carried out a protest demonstration condemning the gun attack on Lai Kurant in Automba Singh from the locality in the night of February 23. Protesters demanded the government to book the miscreants involved in the incident. Acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, has inspected the condition of Moirang Police Station. Speaking to media, Khaidem Mani said that Moirang Police Station lacks adequate manpower, separate lock-up rooms for women criminals and safe water. He also said the police station has a child-friendly room but not in its best condition. Khaidem Mani said the commission has already started inspection of police stations in the Hills district. He said the commission will inspect the condition of police stations in Kampokpi, Saparmaina, Sekmai and Sugunu in the near future. The MHRC acting chairperson mentioned that he inspected More police station in March last year. Bossemt in a press release noticed students appearing the ongoing Class 10 exam to be on time for the examination. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on participation by street vendors of Manipur in Golden Jubilee celebration of hawkers movement in India in Kolkata. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. 70 women street vendors of Manipur left Imphal today to participate in Golden Jubilee celebration of hawkers movement in India in Kolkata. National Hawkers Federation and Hawkers Sangram Committee organized the event jointly at Shubdop Mulik Wellington Square in Kolkata today to be continued till March 1st. Seminars, cultural programs, exhibitions and more will be held during the event titled Women Hawkers March National Academic Congress on Street Vendors. Hawkers academicians, human rights activists, artists, advocates and civil societies are attending the event. Speaking to media ahead of the departure at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport, President of Roadside Vendor Welfare Association, Koinaban Market, Ketri Tama said police threat on life and social security of street vendors will be discussed in depth during the event. Center for Research and Advocacy in a press release appealed to the government to disclose the work progress of the Imphal Ring Road project and to give the befitted compensation to those affected by the project. Extending solidarity to victims of COVID-19, a music video album titled Empty Street on Wuhan was released today. Titular Queen of Manipur, Anamika, released the album at TRI Conference Hall in Chingmairong. Ngachongmi Chomroy is the lyricist, Guru Ruben Mangsawa is the music composer, and William Clayvont is the music director of the album. Guru Ruben Mangsawa, Somia Rumtao, Rani Sarma, and K. Haukim Naikomd have given their voice for the album. Speaking on the occasion, titular Queen Anamika wished for the album to spread the masses of love to the world. Speaking to media, lyricist Ngachongmin Chomroy said the album extends solidarity to COVID-19 victims and spread the masses of love, patience, sympathy, and humanity to the world.
Asigumba ishe idea si coronavirus min waring idea ishe lo fokane haji must have come from a person, from someone who acutely feel for the world around him. Masi ithandagi khanba mi na di idea se lo thokpa ngamoy mi atokpa gi damaksu khandiba ngamba adugum lawa mi dagi thoklak na idea se. This song is about love. It's about compassion, it's about understanding, empathy. Me atopagi waring aida akoina akoigi concern, akoigi empathy and moigi damak thap tabiba habagi genon, and most of all it is about friendship.
Pre-production ceremony of the HB film's third production, Imoinu 2, was held at Hotel Imphal today. Tarun Kumar Hisnam is the producer of the film, directed by Bisgupta Laishram. Renowned actors Gokul Silhaiba, Sonia Samsit Sabamt and Maya Chaudhary are in the lead roles of the film. Speaking on the occasion, film director Bisgupta Lystrom said the film aims to raise awareness on the ill effects of marriage with blood relations.
Masaduna saura matamda masadugi ipaipuna thambiramba masi 100% summe siguma kaya si koi ngasi bawdu utpu phangdre wari oina taraga su kanamdana masi khanbide aduna ina handaki lakadriba pat sidati hariba masagi lesha mapung pharaba mama machana piyamada mama na kari poktak pigani jegi sagai gi lekai gi naha sing masa masu singda khangiba mapadana yek salai adu sini yek longna bagi thengna bagi sei thengna sini haibana singwasi mayak sengna handaki film so show yarokani.
3-day financial inclusive drive titled Financial Inclusion Outreach Initiative for Northeast kicked off at Luang Samam Panthoibi Community Hall today to help people in availing opportunities provided by banks and financial institutions. Facility for opening bank accounts under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was provided at the event. Attendees were enlightened on various schemes provided by banks like Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Scheme, and on bank loans such as loan facility under Kishan Credit Card and Mudra. Officials of banks and financial institutions from across the state took part in the event. They distributed sanction orders of Mudra and stand-up loans to beneficiaries on the occasion.
Bank leiriba mayam bank singse masida bank na piriba khudong chaba services akogi account hangbai khangde aduga akogi sarkar gi social security scheme khangde loan gi khangde akogi business gi khangde aduga low singbu gi akogi agriculture loan gi khangde adu akoina bank branch provide tawri besi bank da chalu basi khudong cha da busu yam lei aduna akoina mapan da thora aga ngasi gi numit humni manung sida koi bank mayam pullaga all nationalized bank including NABARD and SCB machina akoina showcase to zabani aduga some particular services khudak to avail to we
Women Department of Rimdam Khu Leipum Tampak Baptist Church Lamkang Naga Baptist Association held its 10th Women's Day celebration at the church in Jandal district today. A new women office was also inaugurated at the event held on the theme, God is within her, she will not fall. Vice Chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandal S. Dongpao Mate, member of ADC Chandal, 8 Komla Thabi District Council constituency, Tihit Joy Lamkang, former Secretary of Lamkang Nagar Baptist Association, LB Lakshmi, and many people attended the event.
Mina pura isa sopra kapwa matanda atay na di kali khambra khamle khoi chamana bo jere seri lo khoi londa kapwa matanda henu hai ga pa hai na kapwa mi sikya thengna de henu hai na kapwa so this is a simple example but it is a love of mother to her kids and family.
87 CRPF battalions Uchathal Jiribam organized a written quiz competition under Ek Bharat Shretha Bharat today. Students of class 8 and 9 from various schools in Jiribam district participated in the competition. Thawal District Police team led by additional SP Operation Sachidananda has arrested one Tipuri drug peddler from Kasar yesterday. The arrested person is 41 years old Abdul Hasim, son of Abdul Tahar Mia from the Badra Misipura village in West Agartala. It is reported that Abdul Hasim smuggled drugs under the supervision of the international drug smuggler Kyo Kyo Nyang alias Abdul Rahman of Myanmar, who was also arrested in possession of 40 lakhs world is used tablet from Podel Karimbi on August 24 last year. Police brought Abdul Hasim in Thawal last night. It may be mentioned that out of 7 people arrested in connection with the international drug gang pinned by Thawal police, 4 miscreants are from Tripura and 3 from Manipur. A team of Lilong police has arrested one miscreant in possession of 142 bottles of illegal cough syrup. The team, under the supervision of Thawal District Police SP, led by Lilong Police Stationed OC Inspector Oinam Azid, along with volunteers of Alada and Anjumant, arrested him from Lilong Awangklaikai last night at around 10:30. The arrested person is 24 years old, Muhammad Meramayum Itemt alias Amir Hussain, son of Muhammad Hesam from Lilong Awangklaikai. Police has registered a case against him. Bridge Construction Demand Committee, Iril River, has called off its proposed blockade of Imphal Ukrult and Imphal Sagolbank roads against shifting of site for construction of RCC Bridge at the adjoining of Sekta and Huidrom after reaching an agreement with Chief Minister and Lamlai MLA. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nothongman Biren says Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Custom has recommended seeing up of 5 border herds in Manipur. IPR Minister Thongam Biswazit assures revised pension for state journalists will be implemented in couple of days. Cookie Students Organization General Headquarters claims overpowering presence of Inishan IM in hill districts of Manipur despite non-extension of Inishan IM ceasefire. Free hepatitis B screening and treatment facility will be available in Manipur by 2021 under National Viral Hepatitis Control Program. And Kalakshetra Manipur begins 2-day seminar on Kanhailand, a theoretical practitioner, as part of its Golden Jubilee celebrations.